Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about. The best serum for face homemade available. Kate Somerville's Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer plus Face Serum. Now, you might be wondering, what sets this serum apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you, it's packed with powerful ingredients designed to hydrate, firm, and smooth your skin like never before. First off, let's talk about hydration. With 3 molecule sizes of hyaluronic acid, this serum penetrates deep into the skin to instantly hydrate and plump, leaving your skin looking and feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. But that's not all. This 2-in-1 formula also works as a moisturizer and primer, creating a smooth canvas for flawless makeup application. Say goodbye to fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. This serum does it all. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the visible results they've seen after just one use. From smoother, younger-looking skin to reduced fine lines and wrinkles, the proof is in the pudding. And the best part? It's suitable for all skin types, including aging and dry skin. So no matter your concerns, Wrinkle Warrior has got you covered. Whether you use it morning or night, this serum is sure to become a staple in your skincare routine. Experience the magic of Kate Somerville's Wrinkle Warrior for yourself and say hello to your best skin yet. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay beautiful.